Confidence is the self-assurance that a person has in their abilities and understanding their value to the workplace. When you display confidence, you build trust with your employer and clients. Employers want employees whose confidence enables them to be efficient and adaptable. Anytime you interact with a potential employer, it's important to demonstrate confidence. Confidence can be demonstrated through making eye contact, having good posture, smiling, firmly shaking hands, speaking clearly, and greeting people. Depending on the type of job, you may be asked to perform or demonstrate certain skills as part of the interview. The employer will be assessing your technical skills, but they will also notice your confidence level. Here's an example of someone during an interview demonstration at a hair salon.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
Morning.
We have a new client here. This is Sean, and he is looking for a different cut. He wants it layered and a little bit more volume. Why don't you walk us through?
What would you like today?
So I was looking for some layers, some texture. It's feeling a little flat, so I'm wanting some movement.
Okay. Yeah. Layers, we can do that.
Slouching posture, avoiding eye contact, and mumbling all communicate a lack of confidence. In this case, Emma's lack of confidence not only affected how she is being perceived by the employer, but negatively impacts the client's experience. Eye contact may be uncomfortable for some, but being aware and practicing can help you appear more confident. Let's look at the scenario again, where Emma demonstrates confidence.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
Good morning. It's so good to see you. I'm excited to show you my skills today.
Great. Well, this is our client, Sean, and he is looking for a layered look to add a little bit more volume. Walk us through the steps that you think you'd take.
Okay, perfect. Hi, Sean. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What are you looking to get done today?
So I'm looking for some layers, a little more texture in my hair. It's feeling a little flat right now, so I'm wanting a little more movement in there.
Perfect. Yeah, we can definitely add some layers and add some texture to get you some more movement. Let's get started.
By standing up straight, making eye contact, and greeting the manager with a smile and firm handshake, Emma clearly demonstrates confidence. As she continued to engage, she spoke clearly, listened attentively, and communicated her understanding. This display of confidence showed Emma possesses confidence in herself and is capable of demonstrating confidence in her work. During a standard interview, you can demonstrate confidence in the ways previously discussed. You can also show confidence in the interview by preparing and asking good questions at the end. Here is a list of questions to ask at the end of your interview. Can you describe a typical day or week in this role? How do you measure success in this role? Can you tell me about the team I would be working with? How does the company support professional development and career growth? What are the next steps in the hiring process? Is there anything about my background or experience that you would like to discuss further?